What you doing, son? Hello. Sonny's in here hanging out with the cockatiels, right? There's Spice over there. Wait, that's not Spice, that's Sugar. That's Spice because you can see the little white dots. He is a pearl and he's a gray. Oh, Sonny. They don't want to hang with you. He tries. They're like, go away. What you doing, buddy? You hanging out with the birds? Huh? You like hanging out with the cockatiels? Yeah. What you doing, son? What are you doing? What are you doing? They all go dink dink and he goes right. Your turn, son. There you go. Your turn, son. Not. Go ahead, son. Now he's doing a little chatter of the beak. Chatter the beak? There it is. What's she doing, son? He's a pretty baby. Yeah, he's a pretty baby, isn't he? He's a nice baby, aren't you? Yeah, he's so pretty. You're a nice bird, aren't you? You a nice bird? You good boy? Yeah, you good boy. He's a baby. Yeah. You a baby, yeah. Talking to son. What are you doing, son? What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah. He's so funny. Son! Yeah, whisper. Whisper. No noise. Yeah, no noise. That's a boy. Yeah. Hello. You got the toy. What are you doing? Here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming up. Want to come? Yeah? There he goes. Good boy. He's such a pretty bird. So are you guys too. Wanted to take a little video.